So, what goes in this? Hi, I'm John from Anglo Thai, and today I'm cooking at Tom Gozney's house. We're going to cook in the Gozney Dome today over wood fire. Super cool recipe. We're going to blister some aubergines, serve that with a sort of herbal salad, make a spicy citrus salad dressing, and then one cool thing, we're going to toast off some raw rice, make that into a powder called khao khua in the north of Thailand, and that's going to give some nutty texture. So first thing we're going to do for this recipe is we're going to dry toast the rice grains. So you want a cast iron pan for this. And then I'm just going to take this straight over to the dome. We're just dry toasting it. And the idea is that you get caramelized, sort of nutty brown rice. It's going to be a little bit smoky as well. It smells great. It actually smells a little bit like popcorn. Golden brown color, even all over. Just grind this to a powder. You can do this in the pestle and mortar, or you can do it in a food processor. But if you're going to do it in the food processor, what I'd say is try not to blitz it right down into like a super fine powder. You want like a little bit of coarse texture to it. Coarse sand-like texture. So we've got the fire going in the Gozney Dome at the moment. And what I'm going to do is just literally whack these straight on the burning wood and the burning coal. And I want to blister the skins all over. So we got the aubergines nice and blackened in the Gozney. You can see they're completely soft all over and their skins are nice and charred. That's gonna put like a smoky flavor into the flesh. So we'll just set these aside. We're gonna make the dressing that's gonna dress this like herbal salad. Gonna start with some palm sugar. You can use brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of that. And I'm gonna add a little bit of water to it. Kind of making like a palm sugar, simple, quick syrup. Fish sauce. Fresh squeezed lime juice. Roasted chili powder. This is just like chili flakes or chili powder, whatever you can find. Sweet, sour, salty, and spicy. All the kind of typical characteristics of Thai dishes. Okay, so that's our dressing done. Hope you guys like it spicy. And then last thing we're gonna do is make a sort of coriander, mint, lime leaf salad. So like very herbal ingredients. Start with some red onion. And you just wanna cut this nice and thin. Got spring onion here as well. We're gonna use lemongrass, a very typical ingredient from Thailand and Southeast Asia. What you need to do is cut off the bottom sort of inch and a half, and then take off the outside husks. They're kind of fibrous. And what I'm gonna do is cut this nice and thin. And you just wanna cut it until you feel like super resistance at this like top woody end. And the other sort of Thai ingredient I've got are Kaffir lime leaves. And the way you want to prep them is they've got these spiny middles. Pull that out. And then we're just going to take a couple of these leaves and we're going to thinly slice them. I've got fresh Kaffir lime leaf, but you can actually buy them frozen as well. They're pretty good quality. The other bits I've got is just some regular mint, some regular coriander. I've just picked the leaves off. You want like sort of a small handful of each. And that's our salad. Smells really fragrant, really beautiful. Okay, so now we've made our salad, we've made our toasted rice powder, got our dressing, and then we've got the aubergines from earlier that we charred up in the Gozney, and I'm just gonna peel the skins off. So all you need to do really is just pull away at the skin. Should come off fairly easily. Been resting out for like 5 minutes or so now, so it's not too hot to handle. If you've got like a little bit of the skin on, that's cool. It's gonna be nice and smoky. Okay, so we've now got our aubergines nice and peeled. I leave the tops on just because I think it looks a bit nice and chefy on the presentation. You just wanna kind of cut the flesh into bite-sized pieces, and then I'm just gonna put that out on a plate. We've got our salad here. Just get that dressed up and a little bit of this just over the aubergines. Give it a seasoning. I just sort of pre-boiled some eggs. I've soft-boiled them because I like them that way. So split it in half, egg on the salad. Like when that yolk hits the dressing, it's gonna be super nice when it gets all like creamy and enriched on that. I actually went and picked some of these like wild garlic flowers as well. And then last thing, we got our toasted rice powder that we made in the dome, and that just goes over the salad. And that's gonna be a little bit of crunch and texture. That's it, yum makua yao. That's a blackened, charred aubergine salad with loads of herbs and a spicy citrus fish sauce Thai vibes dressing. Test it. I've eaten it a few too many times before, mate. You can let me know how you think.
How shall I approach it?
You should smash some egg in, definitely.
Smash.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just get a little bit of everything.
Oh my goodness. The crunchiness of the rice, is so amazing.
Not too spicy then.
I love spicy food anyway,
Yeah, good.
man. I'm just like, I'm a spice maniac. I feel like I'm bad that I'm the only one eating. I'm taking him. Then it does. Do you want to come in and eat?
Well, I'll try a little bit.
Come on, get in.